Well, hi guys, my name is Wad2 from uklocksport.co.uk, where I'm actually team advertiser and UK Locksport promoter for the forum. I'm going to be single pin picking this all-weather master lock. I'm going to be using Southward short hook and an unusual tension wrench that I made myself. Quite a few twists in that there, and it does actually work wonders. So let's have a bash at this. Slight tension on this lock, in the wrench goes. Get the pick right to the back, so gentle tension. Picks. Let's do that one more time. Locked back up. Tension wrenching. Pick all the way to the back of the lock on this one. Gentle tension. Picked. So quite a good little tension wrench I made. Works well on quite a few locks. So if you are newbies guys, come and join us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. If you have any questions, no matter how silly you think they are, tap away on your keyboards, ask away, because we've all been there guys, we really have, so no questions are silly. Also, we have fantastic competitions where you can win locks, picks, bump keys, master keys, you name it. We also have a store where you can purchase a lot of things at a fantastic price, so you'll pick up some great bargains in the store. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.